Recently, Google has launched its brand new Pixel 9 Pro XL, marking a significant step in its smartphone lineup. This release comes as Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra continues to make waves in the Android market. In this video, we will compare their design, specs and features, camera quality, and price and decide which one prevails in the flagship smartphone industry. So, without any delay, let's begin. The Pixel 9 Pro XL and Galaxy S24 Ultra represent the peak of Android design, each with distinct approaches. Google's Pixel 9 Pro XL features a redesigned camera bar with an elongated pill shape, while Samsung maintains its familiar design with individual camera lenses. The S24 Ultra comes with a titanium frame, though it hasn't significantly reduced weight. Both phones offer premium build quality, with the Pixel featuring a matte glass back and the Ultra with a multi-layered metallic paint finish. Display-wise, both devices perform quite well. The Pixel 9 Pro XL's 6.8-inch Super Axua display claims a peak brightness of 2700 nits, while Samsung's S24 Ultra offers a 6.8-inch panel capable of 2600 nits. Both screens provide vibrant colors and excellent visibility in various lighting conditions. The S24 Ultra includes S Pen support, delivering additional functionality. While the Pixel emphasizes adaptive display features, Samsung's display lacks Dolby Vision support, which may impact some streaming content quality. Both the Pixel 9 Pro XL and Galaxy S24 Ultra come with great specs and features. The S24 Ultra is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, which has shown remarkable performance in benchmarks. The Pixel 9 Pro XL utilizes Google's custom Tensor G4 processor, designed to excel at AI and machine learning tasks. In terms of memory, the Pixel 9 Pro XL takes the lead with 16 GB of RAM, compared to the S24 Ultra's 12 GB. Both devices offer storage options up to 1 TB, ensuring sufficient storage. Software-wise, both phones promise 7 years of updates, promising long-term support. The Pixel runs stock Android with exclusive Google features, while the S24 Ultra uses Samsung's One UI, offering a different set of capabilities like DeX for desktop-like functionality. Both devices provide advanced AI features. The Pixel offers enhanced photo editing, image generation, and call summaries using Gemini. The S24 Ultra incorporates the Galaxy AI, helping in real-time translation, text rewriting, and photo manipulation. Both Pixel and Samsung phones are well known for their excellence in camera. The Pixel 9 Pro XL features a 50-megapixel main, 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and 48-megapixel 5x telephoto camera. The S24 Ultra counters with a great 200-megapixel main sensor, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, 50 megapixels 5x periscope, and 10 megapixels 3x telephoto lens. The Pixel 9 Pro XL leverages Google's advanced AI processing for enhanced image quality. It offers improved low-light performance and features like Video Boost for better video recording. Both phones can record 8K video. The S24 Ultra provides more versatility with its additional zoom lens and higher resolution main sensor. It produces natural colors and performs well in various scenarios, though it still struggles somewhat in low light. The Pixel 9 Pro XL takes the lead with a 42 megapixels front-facing camera, compared to the S24 Ultra's 12-megapixel sensor. The Pixel 9 Pro XL features a 5060 mAh battery, slightly larger than its predecessor's 5050 mAh. Google claims 20% longer battery life, solving previous models' underwhelming performance. In contrast, the S24 Ultra's 5000 mAh battery lasted an impressive 16 hours. Both phones now support 45 watts charging, but the S24 Ultra's proven endurance gives it a clear advantage. The Pixel's actual performance will depend on the efficiency of its new Tensor G4 chip. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is priced at $1,099, marking a $100 increase from its predecessor. On the other hand, the Galaxy S24 Ultra currently has a higher starting price of $1,299 for the base variant. While both phones have seen price increases, the S24 Ultra remains $200 more expensive than the Pixel 9 Pro XL. However, Samsung offers trade-in deals and storage upgrades that can offset the cost difference. The Pixel 9 Pro XL and Galaxy S24 Ultra both offer interesting features for Android enthusiasts. The Pixel showcases Google's AI prowess with its Tensor G4 chip and unique software features, while the S24 Ultra impresses with its powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and prominent camera system. Design preferences may sway users towards either the Pixel's distinctive camera bar or Samsung's glossy aesthetic. Battery life favors the S24 Ultra, though the Pixel promises improvements. Price-conscious buyers might lean towards the Pixel, but Samsung's trade-in offers could level the field. Ultimately, the choice between these flagship phones depends on individual priorities, whether it's AI capabilities, camera versatility, battery life, or ecosystem preferences. That's all for today. Which one would you pick among these two top-notch flagship devices? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to get more updates like this.